Hello friends, in this video I will explain you what is React. A React is a JavaScript library for building user interface. It is maintained by Facebook and developed by Facebook. It's help us to provide a single page application. If someone say what is single page application? A single page application is the application in which all the data is rendered on the same page or same single page. Like if we use Facebook, we found that all the data is rendered on the same page, and we scroll up and scroll down, the data is rendered on the same page. Another example, if you use Netflix, Netflix also uses React.js for rendering the data. This is the official website of React.js, reactjs.org. If we click on this website, it says that a JavaScript library for building user interface. Also, a React is a component based. What is component? A component is the block which having some properties and also have some states. We will discuss this in some later videos. But now I will explain you what is component in this website. Like this is the component. A header portion is the one component. This is second component which have a React in the middle, and this some other components. Component means a block which having some properties and having some states. States means some activities. If you want to download React and install React in your system, you must have a Node.js. This is the official website, nodejs.org. If you want to download Node.js, click on the link as mentioned in this paragraph. Click on the download site. I have a Windows system, so click on the current and Windows. I have already download Node.js, so I do not download again. This is the official Node.js software. If you double click on this Node.js, the installation process may starts, and wait a moment. This is the Node.js. You have to click next. Just wait and watch. Normally it does not take so much of time. I have already installed in my system, that's why it takes so much of time. I think I should skip this process. Once you install Node.js, this window will appear. Click the finish, and if you want to check that Node.js is completely installed in your system, go to search, type cmd. This is a command prompt, and type node. If this windows appear, that means Node is completely installed. If you want to check, you want to type console.log and hello world. Hello world. Yeah, hello world is completely written. That means Node is completely installed in my system. So if you want to install React, go to cmd and type npm create react app and your app name. Like this, I will set demo. Press enter. It will take some time, so wait. I fast forward the video. Enjoy. Once the installation is completed, this message is appear, happy hacking. Type cd demo, which was your demo folder name, and I am using VS Code editor, so I type code space dot. After that, VS Code editor is appeared, and open terminal. You first have to double click to maximize to full screen. Open terminal, new terminal, and type npm space start. Once the command is executed, it starts the server and the React home page is appear on the screen. It will take some time, so wait and watch. And also, please subscribe my YouTube channel for getting such more content. It will automatically open a web browser with the port number 3000. And finally we get this kind of output. If you want to change this output, open VS Code, source app.js, and change this line, and type h1 tag hello coder, and remove this also header, and save. And you found that refresh, hello coder is appeared on the screen. Thanks for watching this. I will post some another videos in this channel on later, so stay tuned. Bye bye.